Hello and welcome to another Top Bill Carpentry's tool review. So in this one I'm going to be talking about workbenches. If you own a joinery shop like us and you've got CNC, panel saw, edge bander, stuff where you're loading sheets out, obviously it's finding the right bench that is going to work. So obviously we've got benches that we've made ourselves, wooden benches around upstairs. We've tried lots of different benches to try and make it work for our workshop. We've got the forklift, so when things do come off the lorry, we obviously fork them straight in and we put them all shelved up. But the problem we have sometimes, obviously with so many machines, it's not only like kind of space storing something, but it's also loading bits out, to be honest with you, especially if, you know, you've got things in the way like we currently have now. We've got a lot of stock in here. So obviously we found this online. I've got to be honest, it's absolutely brilliant. So I thought I'd do a video to show you, because if anyone is looking for a bench, Trolley, this has few purposes. So with this here, it holds up to 500 kilograms in weight. You will load your board from the back there and then simply press the button down, fold it up, it locks into place. You have got extra pins there to lock that in. And on the bottom, there is additional wheels which lock down, so if you are pulling it around, you can pull it further. So obviously now if I wanted to load the CNC, we could put it on, load it straight out. Yeah, so as you can see, it is really sturdy. I'll be honest, I was really surprised. I thought it was going to be good, but I'm surprised at how good it actually is. To release it, basically, you just push that down. Like even this morning, we had a delivery of like jumbo sheets. Our forklift is a 1.5 ton and the forks aren't long enough to get that. So we usually have to handball them off. Jumbo sheets, anyone who carries them will know they're a nightmare. But putting them on this earlier was just like a game changer. So for instance, if you wanted to load up the panel saw, or if we wanted to, like say, load some sheets off there, you can lock it down, put all the sheets that you're going to be using straight off the rack onto it, and then if you want to move it over to there or whatever else you're doing, you can easily load it. You can easily like store it away somewhere tight, so it's not like a full-on bench stuck in the way. It's on wheels obviously, which helps. And yeah, you can also then use it as a bench. But if you've got your sheets on there, and then for us now, we're just going to be loading it next to the panel saw, next to the CNC, whatever machine we're using, and then we can just load on and off. Like, we've literally had this a week now, and I'm genuinely thinking, like, why didn't I have it ages ago? Because even in the week that we've had it, and we ain't even put it to its full potential, but straight away, every single person in the workshop loves it and has said it's amazing. Like, even when it's in this position now, it's good enough to use as a bench to work on. You know, there's nothing wrong with it. It's absolutely brilliant. Now, obviously online, if you're looking for one of these, if you type in heavy duty plasterboard trolley, that's what they kind of come up as. And this one that we got is up to 500 kilograms that it can hold in weight, which is decent. Price on them, they are about £1,700. I'd priced up a few other options that kind of do similar things to this, but wasn't as like heavy duty as this. And I'll be honest, they wasn't far off. So for what that is for us and what it's going to save and the awkwardness around the workshop and gaining us another little bench, I think it's worth every penny. You can shop around online and find similar things, but obviously I wouldn't know if them things are good or bad. But this is the one we found and it is absolutely amazing. So yeah, I hope this has helped. And if you are looking for a new bench and say you are a little bit tight on space, you know, this is a perfect solution for you. So do come back, subscribe. We're going to be doing lots of videos as we do on tools, tool reviews, different parts around the workshop that we use and different machines and how we do things. And obviously if you do want to see any of our work, you can head over to Instagram at Top Bill Carpentry and yeah, give us a follow. Thanks for watching.